Hello everyone, welcome to Job Alert MNC. They are opening SST Infotech India, hiring for the system administrator Linux L2 level in the data center. You should know about the SST Infotech private limited company. You should learn what is the basically it is the IT software company, and you can learn it is also it have the domestic and then international client. What is the company name? Company name SST Infotech India Pvt Limited. In the job role, system administrator, Linux. Department technical. What will be the experience? 2 to 4 years. And the job location is the Noida. The key, what is the role and responsibility? You should know about the Linux, Ubuntu, and the Windows server, OS updates, and the kernel and the security. You should know about all all this. Hosting in a DNS administrator, database and the mail management. How to the database and the mail management. You should know about the MySQL database, any knowledge MySQL, SQL, Microsoft Oracle, etc. Automation. You should know about the automation. You should knowledge about the scripting, Python, etc. This the skills and technical skills like monitoring tools, database, email system, networking, etc. How to apply? Click on here, apply link. It will be redirect to the Naukri, and you should have Naukri profile for the apply here, and HR will call you. I will add the description list, apply link. You can apply from here. Please like and subscribe my channel for the more job update. Thank you. Bye bye.